Labadlali abasashaqekile bathi balahlekelwe ngabangani.
Iplayers zilimele zibuhlungu ngokuba zingade zihambe ziyofika emabaleni namhlanje befanele bayadlala.
Isikhungo esingenzi inzuzo iGift of the Giver selekelela labadlali ngosizo lokwelulekwa ngokwengqondo ulandela isicelo esivela kuhulumeni wesifundazwe eEastern Cape.
We spoke to many parents last night who were very concerned as well. We were calming them down to show them that the kids are in good hands. As we know, it's a very traumatic occasion when there's an accident, for a parent especially, not knowing if your child is okay. So we're just getting that assurance, and Gift of the Givers will providing, beyond this, we're providing some assistance to the family and players when the memorial service and when the funeral takes place as well.
eKapa bekhanyiswe amakhandlela kuhlonishwa laba bangasekho, iningi labantu beligajwe umunyu, kuculwe amaculo kwaphinde kwakhulekwa.
I know you're not used to me being this way. However, the circumstances doesn't let us celebrate anything at this moment. There's absolutely nothing to celebrate.
Lo mqhudelwano uhlanganisa izinkulungwane zabadlali abavela emkhandluni ehlukene kulelizwe, uzophothulwa ngoMgqibelo.